Alright guys, from this particular inverter, you gotta go back and get the setting. Okay, you go right there. You want to change it to only off grid, so go into systems, go system information, right there. So type of inverter, you highlight it by pushing the center button right here, and you can change it to different inverter. Backup, you can do it for grid tied, off grid. See that? So all you do is just like rolling your finger into this. This is how you make the selection. So only for grid tied. Off grid we have it for. That's it. We can get out from here, and we can this is the other function where you want to select the AC input. So we click on this, you can go for backup. We use this for only backup. Okay, and you can see right here, you can change it to mini grid, you can change to grid 0. See that? Or UPS. You can do a lot of stuff with this machine. So what we're gonna have it on, or you can have on support or generator as well, if you just wanna feed the input. The battery monitor it, and we're gonna try and initialize the system to do a charge from the grid. Stay tuned. See the voltage we have right now, 29.4. Let's bring these batteries all the way up. Okay, now you can see we're charging up the batteries. Sorry, gotta get these lights for you guys. We had the grid going on, and we put in some power. You can see power coming here from the G, transferring 114 back to the grid, to the batteries. He's charging the batteries. The fans haven't kicked in yet. You can see from now it's putting a 2 kilowatt. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. JW Solar USA. We're charging up the batteries. We have to charge all the way to 32, and we put in 2 kilowatts, 2000 watts. We're putting in right now into the batteries at 114 volts. So it seems like through the conversion, I think it drops the AC to 114 to 115 or whatever. Alright guys, just want to show you. It's charging the batteries. Stay tuned. Everything seems to be cold to the touch. No problems here. But charging the batteries, 6 of them, 6 in parallel, and series. They taking a lot of amps right now, balancing everything, balancing power transfer from one cell of battery to the other. So after that, it goes to a 24 volts, and all the batteries going to be balanced. There we go. This is the grid right here, and this is going to the batteries, 2000 watts. See, the batteries are full. Get them at 32 volt, 24 volt system, and you see down here, and the charging stop. The indication is here, but we don't have any light here telling us there's any AC coming in. See the arrow down here? So the AC is still connected. That's why this light right here is still illuminating. And we have a green light, tells us the status, that's the battery's charge. So this quick disconnect from Nissan Leaf is still working flawlessly. There's the connection down here. And I lost the boot. There's some boot that's supposed to come here that covers this terminal. So I have 3 of these disconnects because I've dealt with 3 of these batteries, full batteries. I open up for different applications I have managed, I have done. This is what it is, and here goes the machine sitting just in a corner, and I don't have any AC power out because I didn't power anything yet, and it's on a search mode. It's looking for load to power, and so that the system will continue to do its job. But right now there is no load on the system, which we're gonna be doing filming later in the morning to show you what this system can do. Like and subscribe. The other side here is gonna be for the solar coming in from here, and the breakers are here, and one for the DC side, which I have to go back and put the positive over there and all the way negative on the other side there to power the charge controller. Alright, like and subscribe.